everyone, so today I'm going to show you a really easy way to decorate any of your vases for autumn. To start off with, you're going to need an all-round glue and we're just going to mix in with a little bit of water. Once you've thoroughly mixed in your water and glue, we're going to go to our napkin and we're just going to pull this apart. Now you're going to do this by taking off, there's normally 2 layers of white napkin, just so you get the really thin patterned layer. When you've finished with your napkin, what we're going to do next is with our glue mixture and a paintbrush, we're going to paint all the way around the outside of the vase. When your vase is completely covered, we're going to take that sheer piece of napkin and just lay it over the top of the vase on one side. Then you want to gently start pulling your napkin and pressing down so it starts sticking to the vase all the way around. Now, unless you cut out each individual pattern or shape on your napkin and you have smaller pieces, a whole napkin isn't going to be 100% smooth. But with some gentle playing and pushing around on the napkin, you can still get your pattern to look really nice, and I quite like the rustic look of it. Now when all the base of the napkin is stuck down, you're going to take your paintbrush and glue again and start really gently painting over the napkin just to seal everything in and stick down any other bits that are still standing up. When painting over the top of your napkin with the glue mixture, you want to make sure you're only painting over that area once, because otherwise when it goes wet and you go to paint over it again, it can rip because the napkin is too wet. When you're happy with how your vase is looking, we're just going to cut off any excess napkin and then go over with the glue on the ends again to secure everything in place. Then all we have to do is let it dry.